Hi guys, welcome to MLK Sport Update Cafe Films. Welcome to my channel. If you know the channel, subscribe the channel please. Now I want to see how to edit these videos, this picture. First of all, you see like this, cut it, click here. Now click here and you see if it's very well. You see, I want to rub it here. See like this. Now make your own picture, beautiful picture. Please, you will get very good lessons in this channel. Subscribe right now as you get it $300. Call me my number 0722232486 and I will give you 3,000 Kenyan shillings. It is $30. If I get 10k views, this is my channel. Now I want to save it. Click here. Save. Come back. I want to get a beautiful background. Beautiful. This is best beautiful. I want to skip. I want to get back. Guys, so now I get very good background. You will see. This is the background. Beautiful background. I want to add my special photo. You click add, see like this. Now you add, click add this add. Wow, this is more beautiful. More. And thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe. I love you so much. Bye bye.